The second question continues from the previous one. Both times red balls. Again also you should think what are the evens. Here we are getting both blues, so we don't want this. Both blues again. Both blues. First time blue, second time red. We didn't want this. Both time red. That's what we need. Blue and red. Blue, 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 red, blue, red. And also blue, blue, all these blue, red. Next, let's think about them. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And here we have the required one. Red and red. In both times, we are getting red balls. And next, red, red. Both times, we are getting red balls. Again, let's check with next column. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and red, 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 red. We have the required ones over here as well. So among these 25, only 4 events which satisfies our condition. Both times red ball. These are the probabilities. Next, let's try. First blue, second red. First blue, blue. Here we have blue, 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 blue. But look at this. First time blue, second time red. There is a possibility. There is an even. Blue, red. Blue, 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 blue. So we don't want any of them. Blue, red, blue, red. Here also all are blue, 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 red, blue, red. First time blue, second time red. Here first time red. So we don't want them. We don't want any of these probabilities here also. First time red, no, we don't want any of them. So among 25, only 6 conditions which satisfy first time blue and second time red. So this is not satisfying our condition. When you think about this even first time blue, second time also, even that is second blue ball, that's also same in color. No, we don't want that probability even. And think about this probability. First time blue ball, second time also blue ball. That's what we are obtaining in this even. We just need blue ball and second time red ball. Now let's think about this probability. First time blue ball, so the horizontal one which belongs to this coordinate and the vertical one red. First try, in the first try I am selecting blue ball, in the second try I am selecting red ball. So we need this probability because this is satisfying our requirement. First blue and second red. No, first blue, second red. Likewise, let's think about the next one. First time blue ball, second time red ball. This is satisfying the condition. Now let's check with next row. First time blue ball, second time also blue ball. We don't want this probability. First time blue, second time also blue. No need. Blue, again also blue. We don't need this. Look at this even. In first time we are having blue, second time we are having red. That is satisfying our condition. Here also first time blue, second time red. Now let's check with third column. First time blue, second time blue. We don't want this. First blue, second also blue. First blue, second blue. And think about here first blue, second red. So we want this. First time blue, second time red. We want this probability. Next, let's check with this column. First red, second blue. We don't want this. Our first try, it must be a blue ball. Red and blue. No. Red and blue. No. Red, 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 red. Neither of them satisfying the conditions. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and red, 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 red. Our first one is not blue, second one is not red. So these are also not satisfying our condition. So from total 25, only 6 events are having the required solutions as first time blue ball and second time red. This is the detailed explanation. The fourth one, both times same color. Both times same color means here both are blue. Both are blue. Both are same color. No? Here also both are blue. Both are blue. Here first blue, second red. We don't want this. Blue, red. We don't want. Blue, blue. We want this. We and this. And here blue, red, blue, red. Both are different in color. Next blue, 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 and blue, red, blue, red. We don't want those even. Again, let's check here. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, red. We want this. Even though this is having red color, but both are red. No, we need the probabilities with both same color. Might be blue, might be red, but both should be same in color. Here also red and red. We want that probability also. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and finally we will have red, red, and red, red. Both are having same colors. In previous questions we did both are having green color, blue colors, and both are having red colors, but this is a combination of both of them. Both times same color. Total 25. 13 events, totally 9 plus 4. 13 events are satisfying the condition of both are having same in color. Next one, both are different in colors. So that would be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because other probabilities will give you both are same in colors. So remaining would be both are different in colors. 26 over 12. This would be the probability. First red ball. So there is no any restriction for the second ball. No. First red ball here. These are not giving first red ball. Think about it. Because in all occurrence, first ball was blue. Here also in all events, first ball is blue. Here also in all events, first ball is blue. Think about these events. In all events, first ball is red. So we want all events. When you select each and every event separately also, you will obtain the same solution. First red ball. Here also in all, we are having first red ball. Second blue, 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 then second red, second red. But first ball is blue. No? So in total 25 events, 10 are having first time red balls. That's the probability. Next, only one blue ball. This is an important one we will see. Only one blue ball means, think about it, here in both occurrence we are having blue balls. Both occurrence having blue balls. Both are blue. Here we have first blue, second red. That means only one blue. That condition was satisfying at this event. First blue, second red. So we are getting one blue ball. Here also one blue ball and another red. One blue, one red, one blue, one red. One blue, one red, one blue, one red. In these events, we are getting both blues. We don't want that. First red, next blue. So one blue ball. Only one means you should take it where you are having only one blue ball. Here, here, here. When you check here, in both times we are having red balls. There is no any blue balls in these events. So we don't want any of them as well. So in total 25, 12 are satisfying the condition of with having only one blue ball. The eighth one, that's the really important one. At least a red ball. That means the requirement, your principal will come to your class and ask the people who got at least 40 marks in maths, hands up. The people who got at least 40 marks in maths, hands up. Though, so the students who got 40 marks, they will hands up, and the students who got more than 40 marks, they also can hands up. No, at least a red ball. So that is similar to this instance. At least 40 marks. The people who got at least 40 marks in maths, hands up means 40 marks, they can hands up, and the people who gain more than 40 marks also can hands up. Same thing is here as well. At least a red ball means you can obtain the instances with having one red ball and two red balls. In two red ball also, the condition of having a red ball is satisfying. No? At least a red ball. That condition is satisfying at one red ball and two red ball. In both cases, at least a red ball condition was satisfying. But when you think about the previous one, only one blue ball. That means there is a restriction. Only one means only one. We cannot take when we are obtaining two blue balls. Those instances cannot be taken into our requirement. So at least a red ball, only one red ball. There are some difference. At least means one red ball is possible. In two red balls also, we are obtaining at least a red ball. That condition is satisfying. So you should select those instances as well. Yeah, at least a red ball, red and blue, red and blue, red and blue. So a red ball. That condition is satisfying. Red and blue, 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 red and blue. Think about here. Red and red. So at least a red ball that is obtained here. That was obtained here. Red and red. That means at least a red ball that's obtained here as well. Here also same thing. So in total 25, the probability which we need for at least a red ball condition, it would be 10 and 16 upon 25. In the final question, selecting a blue ball. A blue ball. Same thing is applicable for ninth one. Selecting a blue ball. Here, blue and blue. I am selecting a blue ball. Even though I am selecting two blue balls, the condition of selecting a blue ball that was satisfied here. Selecting a blue ball. In first time, in second time, both times I obtained blue ball. Here also. Here. Here and here. In all occurrence, in these three cases, in both times I obtain blue balls. Here also I am obtaining a blue ball. Selecting a blue ball. So that condition is satisfying in these events as well. That's important. Think about this blue, 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 blue. Selecting a blue ball. Here also selecting a blue ball and another red ball. Now let's check with this event. Red ball and blue ball. So I am selecting a blue ball in this event as well. Here, when you check here, red and red, there is no any blue ball in this region. So we don't want those. Red and blue. Here we have a blue, blue, blue. So totally in 25 events, 21 is satisfying the condition of selecting a blue ball in either of the tries or in both tries. We have to get a blue ball. That condition was satisfied in 21 events. That's all about sample space with replacement questions. In upcoming classes, we will discuss without replacement as well.